Yakolev Yak-52W, a Russian airplane. Over 1,800 were produced, and after the Soviet Union was dissolved, they made a few, and this is the fourth of the 1999 Yakolev Yak-52W, designed as a joint civilian and military primary and aerobatic training aircraft by the Yakolev Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. Over 1,800 were produced in Russia. And then following the dissolution of the Soviet Union, they became common sporting aircraft in the United States and Western Europe. And then they ran a production run of 12 aircraft, and this is the fourth in 1999. This is the fourth of that. Okay.